Welcome to 269 West 72nd Street, where you are in the heart of the Upper West Side, near Trader Joe's, Fairway, Citarella, the Beacon Theater, and so much more.
And don't forget, the 72nd Street subway is 1 block away.
Welcome to 269 West 72nd Street. Come join Amelia and I for a quick look at this wonderful 16th floor, 1-bedroom in a pre-war building with wonderful south light. Hey, Amelia.
Hi, Andrew. Come on in. Andrew, you know what I love here is that most pre-war 1-bedrooms are in the back of the building and have limited light and no views. Even on an overcast day like today, look at this southern light and these open city views. It's incredible.
Amelia, don't forget about this great eat-in kitchen. It's got granite countertops, stainless appliances, glass tile backsplash, wood cabinetry, and this big, oversized window facing north with great views.
Wait, and there's room for a table too?
That's what I said.
Andrew, you gotta love a bedroom that's big enough for a king-size bed and more furniture.
Even the windowed bathroom is renovated.
And look at all these beautiful pre-war details. Refinished hardwood floors, high beam ceilings, painter's moldings, and French doors.
269 West 72nd Street is a boutique building built in 1924 and converted in 1985 to a co-op. It has 16 floors plus a penthouse level. The co-op allows for up to 80% financing and has laundry, storage, and a bike area.
Andrew, don't forget the building is pet and pied-à-terre friendly.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
We're at Brown Harris Stevens.
Give us a call or send us an email. We'd be happy to show you 16B at 269 West 72nd Street.